Alright guys, so we're doing a tour. We literally just got on the boat. This is room 7260, and this is a fully accessible room. And so there's Sarah. Sarah saying hi. So you can see it's a standard two twin into a single king. The room's laid out a little bit differently. The bathroom is massive. As you can see, there's no step up, and then we've got full shower with a bench, and again, no step up or anything. You have full sink. Hey everybody. And then we have our rest of our area, and then the closets. So you have your standard closets, life jacket, and then the craziest part of this room. So, got your balcony, but then it just keeps kind of going. So, this is just a real quick room tour before we set it up and get living in it. And yeah, so that concludes our room tour. So we wanted to give you a quick edit here. We had some audio issues, but wanted to show you the safe, as you can see here, and the refrigerator and the cabinets. And you can see it's just pretty basic, standard Carnival room. So there's the hair dryer in the drawer and some pretty good amount of space. And then over next to the bed, you can see there's the two nightstands. There's space, of course, in there. And then there's some extra little cabinets over here on the edge. So that actually will conclude our room tour. Thanks for watching.